Are you an engineering student searching for the perfect laptop to power through your coursework? In this video, we bring you the 7 best laptops for engineering students in 2025. From high-performance machines for CAD software, programming, and simulations to lightweight options with long battery life for on-the-go productivity, we have got you covered. Let's begin. To start off our list, we have the Apple Macbook Air M4. This latest iteration of Apple's popular laptop series introduces the powerful M4 chip, enhancing both performance and energy efficiency. The MacBook Air M4 is available in 2 sizes, a 13-inch model with a resolution of 2560 by 1664 pixels and a 15-inch model at 2880 by 1164 pixels. Both offering vibrant liquid retina displays with a pixel density of 224 pixels per inch and up to 500 candela per square meter peak brightness. A notable addition is the 12-megapixel center stage camera, which intelligently keeps users centered during video calls. Connectivity has been upgraded with support for Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring faster wireless performance. Next on our list is the Lenovo ThinkPad X13 Gen 6, an ultra-portable business laptop designed for students seeking performance and mobility. Weighing just 2.05 pounds, this model is lighter than its predecessor. It offers configurations with either AMD Ryzen AI Pro 300 series processors or Intel Core Ultra 7 processors, catering to diverse performance needs. Memory options go up to 64 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and storage supports up to a 2 TB PCIe solid-state drive, ensuring ample space and speed for demanding applications. The 13.3-inch WXGA display provides clear visuals, with options for touch functionality and up to 400 candela per square meter brightness. Connectivity features include Wi-Fi 7 and optional 5G support, ensuring fast and reliable internet access. Continuing our selection, we present the Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360, a versatile 2-in-1 laptop that seamlessly combines performance with flexibility. Featuring a 15.6-inch Super AMOLED touchscreen display, it delivers vibrant colors and deep contrasts, ideal for both creative engineering tasks. The 360-degree hinge allows users to switch between laptop and tablet modes effortlessly. Under the hood, it is powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, coupled with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance. Storage options include up to a 1 TB NVMe SSD, providing fast data access and ample space for files and applications. The device supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring robust connectivity options. Additional features include a high-definition webcam, backlit keyboard, and support for the S Pen. With a battery life of up to 20 hours, the Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 is designed to keep up with demanding schedules. Introducing the Framework Laptop 16, a modular and upgradable laptop that prioritizes sustainability and user customization. This 16-inch laptop features a high-resolution display with a 3:2 aspect ratio, providing ample screen real estate for productivity tasks. The standout feature of the Framework Laptop 16 is its modular design, allowing users to easily upgrade components such as memory, storage, and even the motherboard. It supports the latest Intel Core Ultra processors with configurations available up to the Core Ultra 9 and offers up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM. Storage options are flexible with multiple M.2 slots supporting up to 8 TB of total storage. Connectivity is robust, featuring Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and a variety of modular ports that users can customize based on their needs, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and DisplayPort options. Next, we have the Microsoft Surface Laptop 7, a sleek and stylish device that combines performance with portability. Featuring a 13.5-inch PixelSense touchscreen display with a resolution of 2256 by 1504 pixels, it offers sharp and vibrant visuals. The Surface Laptop 7 is powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra 7 processor, paired with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance. Storage options include SSD ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, providing fast data access and sufficient space for files and applications. Connectivity features include Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and reliable wireless connections. The device also includes a 720p high-definition webcam with Windows Hello facial recognition, a precision trackpad, and a comfortable keyboard with well-spaced keys, making it ideal for long study sessions. The MSI Creator M16 is a powerhouse designed for professionals who require robust performance for tasks such as 3D modeling, simulation, and rendering. Equipped with an Intel Core i9-14900HX processor, it delivers exceptional multi-core performance, essential for running complex engineering software efficiently. The NVIDIA RTX 4070 graphics card enhances real-time rendering and accelerates computational tasks, benefiting applications like CAD and finite element analysis. The 16-inch display boasts a 240Hz QHD+ resolution. The 32 GB of DDR5 RAM allows students to run multiple engineering applications concurrently without performance degradation. The 2 TB NVMe SSD offers ample storage for large project files and ensures quick data access, reducing wait times during data-intensive tasks. MSI's Cooler Boost 5 technology maintains optimal temperatures, ensuring consistent performance during extended periods of heavy use. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 features an AMD Ryzen 9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, providing the necessary power to handle computational tasks, simulations, and 3D modeling efficiently. Its 14-inch display with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels offers sharp and vibrant visuals, enhancing the clarity of detailed engineering designs and schematics. Weighing approximately 3.5 pounds, the G14 is highly portable. The inclusion of 16 GB of DDR5 RAM ensures smooth multitasking, enabling the simultaneous operation of multiple engineering applications. A 1 TB SSD provides ample storage for extensive project files and quick data retrieval. Notably, the laptop's battery life is commendable, lasting up to 9 hours, which supports extended periods of use without immediate access to power sources. So, that's all for today about the best 7 laptops of 2025 for engineering students. Check the description below if you are planning to buy one of these. Thanks for watching.